Hello, beautiful people. So, today in this new episode, we are going to work on something very simple minimalist black beautiful midnight project. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sharon. Do not forget to subscribe, like it, share it, turn on the notification bell so that it can reach to other bead enthusiasts. Here, as you can see, I am arranging my beads with 8mm black seed that I have. Feel free to use any bead of choice that you have in your stash to make this beautiful project. It's so simple. The beads, I wanted to use alphabets to decorate it. Here I was still arranging my project. Yes, I wanted to make it as simple as possible. Now I was done, ready to start. As usual, tied on my thread, and then I'm ready to string it. String. By the way, to make this possible, you just need to get all your beads ready so that it will be easier to sketch, and plan alongside. That will help you to get this one done in a little less time. So I was done. I had to add one of my teardrop kind of beads. Yes, that I have. It's sort of a rice bead. This beautiful project wouldn't be just one. You have to make it like a stack to get the essence. Yeah, to feel the bead. Okay, the design rather. Yeah, I'm done. So next thing is to tie. So I sized it to make sure that everything is aligning. The main process is in sketching and designing. Yeah, I've already started stringing in my beads, and as I designed it on the bracelet board, it goes so smooth and effortless. Every other thing, is done in a jiffy because I have the sketch and the design in mind. So, and that is how I do with all of my projects. Now I am half done here. I needed to continue filling in the beads, and as I'm working I'll be checking to ensure that it's looking like I imagined it. Yeah, so far, as I told you, you just need to just align the beads that you've added here. Because of how small these beads are, I'm going to add another stack, as I told you earlier, to make sure that I am getting it. Yeah, I'm almost done here. Okay, and the next thing is to tie the beads, tie it, and make sure that the tension is appropriate. Hope you are getting something from this. Please do not forget to subscribe. Let's continue. So as you can see, this is so far where I am. It's looking very simple and chic. So we are apparently done with this one. After tying, we need to move to the next one. Oh, I just remember this bead. Remember this bead I made many weeks back or months back? Yes. Meanwhile, I'll put the link up there so that you can go and watch it. It's very fine and cool, so you can make your own also. Yeah, I'm almost completed with this first project. So when I'm done with this one and I add the other bead to it, it will be bead number 2. Then I'll be looking forward to bead number 3. You see how heavy and centered it is, and it's really complementing the overall look. Now I'm done. Let's move on to bead number 3. Oh, I love this deal. So I'm going to add it with 8 too, because it's really heavy on accessory and finding. So and it's looking really fine. So for the third bead, it's going to really be so different. This is my 4mm bead black midnight crystals. So this is so simple. I just need to align it and make it. You know how the jewelry goes. So this is so chic and simple, very different, and very shiny, very sleek, and whatever you call it, and so minimalistic. Yes. So now I have gotten to this level, so I wanted to embellish with another black teardrop. So I'm not really going to go heavy on embellishing today, or just a simple 3 teardrop 6mm 8mm beads, rice bead. So let's go there. So feeling this one is not a big deal, so I just got this one sorted ASAP, and we are almost done with the project. This doesn't really take so much time once we are done with it. Oh, by the way, do not forget to subscribe. Please kindly help a girl. It helps the channel grow. Okay, now I'm almost concluding with this particular one because this racks up pretty fast. Fine, beautiful, sleek, shiny project you can make anytime, any day. Yes, you see, so far I'm done. I'm almost done. I'm tying the necklace, and you see, yeah, and I like a neat work. Notice why I tied, because of how small these beads are, I needed to cover it. So I went to pick my cream bead. I picked a color, a black metallic color, a metallic one, crimp. So I just, closed the place where I did it, and that I'm done. You wouldn't even know something is there. And yeah, we are done. This is so cool and chic. Very simple and beautiful project. So let me know if you can do something like this, and let me know what you think, and have fun making yours. It's such a simple stack project you can make anytime. And let me know in the comment section what you think. And this is all about today's project. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you all for staying with me till now. Have fun and make a beautiful project. Sure, see you in the next video. Bye.